Hi everyone, welcome to Jyoti Rana's Vlogs Canada. Thousands of classic cars are taking over the streets at Wheels on Danforth. Come along with me and let's see what's in store. Today I'm planning to show the entire journey. I have reached the TTC Sherbourne subway and this is going to be my starting point. I'll be taking eastbound towards Victoria Park. Let's see how many amazing cars we can find today. So we finally reached Victoria Park station. I'm curious to know what kind of cars we will find today. And there it is, our first look at Wheels on Danforth. This is so cool. This vehicle is from 1947. People used to travel during those days. 1947. So this is 1950. So this is 1964. Definitely grab something from there. Probably I'll check out while coming back. I think this festival is huge. So this is 1933 Ford. There's another one here.
My name is Frank and this is my 1933 Ford three-window coupe. I've been around cars pretty much all my life. This is my passion and we build them, we bring them to shows, and this is pretty much what we enjoy doing on our weekends. This is my car. Like I said, it's a 1933 three-window coupe. It's all Ford. It's got a Ford engine, Ford transmission, Ford rear end. Fiberglass body, and I'll show you a quick peek inside as well.
Yes. Interesting.
There's
Wow.
your interior.
Wow, those brakes.
302 carbureted engine, C4 transmission, and a 9-inch Ford rear end. Me and my dad, that's my dad there.
Okay, hi.
And that's his car, that's a 34 three-window coupe. So me and my dad, we go to different car shows, and this is our passion. We build them and bring them to the shows.
Which part of Ontario or Canada from?
We're from all the way from Pickering and Brampton.
Nice.
And we travel to different car shows all over Ontario.
Nice.
This is probably our 4th or 5th this year.
Nice.
Put it?
Hi, Joey. Hi.
Well, I've been into cars ever since I was 11 years old.
Oh,
And
wow.
I bought my first car. I was 13 years old, and I went to high school and became a mechanic through college. And I had a passion for old cars, and
Nice.
helped my son build his, and here we are.
So it's
you know.
1934. So
He's a 34. My son's a 33.
33. Nice.
He's the ZZ Top car. 383 stroker motor. It's got 500 horse in it, and it sucks a lot of gas. How's that?
from Brampton, and we've come to this show for the last 4 years. Great place, beautiful day, and this particular car, if you want to take a look at it. Yeah, we've had this car since December of '71, so it's our baby and it's our connection to the past. So there you go. We've been all over with this car. We've been down to Florida, we've been to Tennessee.
Wow.
All over the place with this car. So
Yes.
yeah, it's part of the family. What I like to say, enjoy, have a good time. Great place. Lovely part.
Yes.
It's a 72 Chevelle Super Sport. As we said before, we got it brand new in '71, but I did a lot of modifications. It's got a brand new motor, a 555 cubic inch motor, suspension's all new, kinds of parts.
Oh,
There's
okay.
lots of people still love Chevelles. Chevelles are very popular in North America, so there's all kinds of parts.
Yes.
Original interior.
From vintage cars to powerful classic engines, there was no shortage of amazing cars today. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel, Jyoti Rana Vlogs Canada.